At Cognito Motorsports, we build the highest quality aftermarket upgrades for your full-size truck or SUV. From lift and leveling kits to suspension and steering kits, we make stock vehicles look and perform better. Whether you just need a basic level kit or want to make your truck into the ultimate off-road machine, we have a package that fits every need. Don't settle for low-end imitators. Insist on genuine Cognito quality. Call us today or find us online at cognitomotorsports.com. Cognito Motorsports. Ingenuity, quality, and performance.